Here is our list of the best electric bikes you can buy right now. The Urtopia Carbon Classic ST stands out as a modern electric bike that combines sleek design, lightweight construction, and strong performance to set a new benchmark in its category. Built with a carbon fiber frame, the bike weighs only 38 pounds, making it exceptionally easy to handle, maneuver, and carry, an important advantage for urban commuters. Powering the ride is a 750-watt peak rear hub motor that delivers 60 Nm of torque, providing smooth acceleration and reliable assistance across various riding conditions. What truly enhances its riding experience is the torque sensor system, which intuitively adjusts motor output based on the rider's pedaling effort, resulting in a natural and efficient feel. The bike is equipped with a 352.8 watt-hour Samsung lithium-ion battery that offers an impressive range of up to 75 miles per charge when used in eco mode, making it suitable for longer city commutes without frequent recharging. In addition to performance, the Urtopia Carbon Classic ST emphasizes safety and practicality, featuring disc brakes for dependable stopping power, puncture-resistant tires for durability, integrated lights for visibility, and an LCD display for real-time ride information. Altogether, this e-bike delivers a balanced combination of technology, comfort, and reliability, making it an appealing option for riders seeking a high-quality, lightweight, and efficient electric bicycle tailored for everyday urban use. The happyrun G50 presents a compelling blend of power, endurance, and versatility, making it an ideal choice for adventurous riders seeking both performance and comfort. With its 1500-watt brushless motor, this electric bike delivers robust propulsion, enabling speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, ensuring swift and efficient commuting. Equipped with a large-capacity 48-volt 18-amp-hours removable lithium battery, the happyrun G50 offers an impressive range of up to 68 miles on a single charge in pedal assist mode, making it suitable for long-distance rides. Additionally, its three riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, and normal bike, provide flexibility to adapt to various road conditions and rider preferences. Featuring oversized 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires and a dual shock absorption system, including front fork and seat post suspension, the happyrun G50 ensures stability and comfort across diverse terrains, from sandy beaches to rugged mountain trails. Its chromoly steel frame enhances durability while maintaining a sleek and retro-chic design. Safety is prioritized with the inclusion of a 12-channel controlling BMS system for swift power reaction, along with a dual-pressure disc brake system for reliable braking performance, even in high-speed or wet conditions. Front and rear turn signals further enhance visibility and safety during commutes. With easy assembly and an intuitive LCD digital display, the happyrun G50 offers a hassle-free riding experience, suitable for both novice and experienced riders alike. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on off-road adventures, this electric bike delivers unparalleled performance, comfort, and reliability. The Canyon citylite is a stylish and modern urban e-bike designed for riders who value comfort, efficiency, and low-maintenance performance in daily city commuting. Built with an elegant frame and practical features, the bike combines advanced technology with a smooth riding experience. It is powered by a Bosch Performance Line mid-drive motor that delivers up to 600 watts of assistance and 75 Nm of torque, providing strong acceleration and reliable support on city streets and moderate inclines. Riders can choose from 4 levels of pedal assistance, along with a convenient walking assist mode, all managed through the intuitive Bosch Purion 200 display. The bike is equipped with a Bosch Compact Tube 400 watt-hour battery capable of offering a range of up to 85 kilometers on a single charge, while an optional additional battery pack can further extend riding distance for longer commutes or weekend adventures. To minimize maintenance and maximize durability, the Canyon citylite uses a Gates CDC belt drive paired with a Shimano Nexus 5-speed internal hub gearbox, creating a quiet and dependable drivetrain system ideal for urban environments. Comfort and safety are also priorities, with hydraulic disc brakes ensuring reliable stopping power in different weather conditions, integrated lighting improving visibility, and a lightweight carbon fork enhancing ride quality and handling. Altogether, the Canyon citylite stands out as a premium city e-bike that blends refined design, advanced Bosch technology, and practical everyday usability, making it an appealing option for commuters seeking a comfortable and efficient transportation solution at a price of approximately $3,788. The Heybike Ranger S 2.0 is a versatile electric bike designed for both urban commuting and light off-road adventures. It is available with two powerful motor options, a 750-watt motor delivering up to 1,400-watt peak power, and a stronger 1,000-watt motor capable of reaching 1,800-watt peak output. With up to 100 Nm of torque, the e-bike provides strong acceleration and impressive hill climbing performance, making it suitable for riders who need power and reliability on different terrains. The bike is equipped with a 48-volt, 14.4 Ah battery that offers a riding range of up to 55 miles on a single charge, allowing for longer trips without frequent recharging. Its step-through aluminum folding frame adds convenience and portability, making storage and transportation easier for commuters or travelers. The Ranger S 2.0 also features 4-inch fat tires that improve stability and traction on rough surfaces, while the front suspension system helps absorb shocks for a smoother and more comfortable ride. In addition, the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain enhances versatility by enabling riders to adjust gears efficiently for different road conditions and riding styles. Combining power, comfort, portability, and durability, the heybike Ranger S 2.0 stands out as a practical e-bike choice for riders seeking a balance between city mobility and recreational outdoor performance. The himiway A7 is a versatile commuter e-bike designed to deliver a balanced mix of performance, comfort, and practicality for both urban commuting and recreational weekend rides. Powered by a 48-volt, 500-watt brushless rear hub motor producing 60 Nm of torque, the bike provides smooth acceleration and reliable pedal assistance across different riding conditions, including flat city streets and moderate hills. Its UL 2271 certified 48-volt, 15 Ah battery offers an impressive riding range of approximately 65 to 80 miles per charge, making it suitable for long daily commutes without frequent recharging. The bike is built with a durable aluminum full suspension frame that enhances rider comfort and stability on rough roads and uneven terrain. The suspension system includes 120 mm of front travel and 90 mm of rear travel, helping absorb shocks and improve overall ride quality. Combining strong battery performance, efficient motor power, and a comfortable suspension setup, the himiway A7 is well suited for riders seeking a dependable and adaptable e-bike capable of handling both city transportation and leisure cycling adventures. The Momentum Vida E+ is a powerful and practical electric bicycle designed for efficient urban commuting and everyday riding. It features a 500-watt Syncodrive Move S motor that delivers up to 60 Nm of torque, providing strong acceleration and smooth performance, especially when climbing steep hills or navigating busy city streets. The bike intelligently adapts to the rider's pedaling input and offers pedal assistance up to 28 miles per hour, while an optional throttle can provide additional riding convenience. Powering the system is a dependable 48-volt EnergyPack 700 battery with a 14 Ah capacity, ensuring long-lasting performance for daily commutes and extended rides. The low-step Lux aluminum frame improves accessibility by making mounting and dismounting easier for riders of all experience levels. Comfort is enhanced by an 80 mm suspension fork that absorbs shocks and vibrations from uneven roads and rough urban terrain. For safety and reliable stopping power, the bike comes equipped with 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes that deliver strong and responsive braking in various weather conditions. Riders also benefit from the Ride Control Core LCD Bluetooth display, which provides essential ride information and enhances control while allowing connectivity features. Combining power, comfort, safety, and advanced technology, the Momentum Vida E+ stands out as a versatile and highly capable e-bike that is well suited for modern city transportation and daily commuting needs.